Wow, I am just blown away with these poppies. Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm coming out in search of poppies. We got a little bit early, but driving through Burlish the other day, I saw a massive field, just red, completely red. So I'm going for a little walk to try and find it. I've just parked in a car park just down here, and we've got a little walk just up here, and it looks like the poppies start just up here. So join me shortly. I've got the drone with me as well, so I will fly the drone out. I'll fly the drone over for you and we'll show you what it looks like from above. Yeah, join me in a minute, and hopefully we'll find these poppies. Wow, I am just blown away with these poppies. As you can see, there are poppies there. I'll turn you around slowly. Poppies there, poppies there, poppies all the way down there. And if you come all the way back round, just over the edge behind me now, where you are looking, there's another massive field, pretty much the same as this, full of poppies. I'm going to put the drone up. I've just checked on drone assist. There are no flight restrictions in this area. So let's have a look at these from the air. What do you think of the scale of these poppies? The majority aren't open yet, looking at them, so this is only going to get better and better. I think probably another couple of weeks, really. Just look at this business. Absolutely, some beautiful blue flowers in here as well. Don't know what they are, so I'll try and get a couple of photos. If you know what they are, drop me a comment below. It looks amazing. It's a big area of poppies. The sun, I would imagine, sets probably that way. So I'm thinking from the top of the bank over there, somewhere towards those pylons, which is the way I came in, looking across, I think you will get these beautifully at sunset. So that's going to be my plan. One of the days, try and get some sunset shots here. But for today, I'm going to try and just capture a few little poppies. They are moving about quite a lot with the breeze, which is a shame. But I will catch a couple, and just for the record, really, this is just a rekkie, just to see if they're ready or not. And to be honest, they're not yet. Although it looks beautiful, there's more closed than there is open. And I'll try and show you a couple of different things that I do just to document what you actually got in here. Like some of the poppy buds that haven't opened yet, you'll find some that are just opening, with like a crack on them and they can just see the red inside. I'm going to get a couple of photographs like that. I'm not going to do much with the editing. It is just going to be a short little video, well, probably short video, probably me gabbling on now because I'm absolutely gobsmacked of what we've got. And I just can't help myself but take tons of photos, so although I'm planning on a short video, probably isn't going to be one. Yeah, let me get the camera out and I'll line a couple of quick shots up and show you a couple of little things that I try to take photographs of when shooting this stuff. So the first thing I try to do is catch buds that are just starting to open, and I do tend to close the aperture down a bit. I've upped the ISO because I want a faster shutter speed, just because it's moving about so much. I'm going to shoot this at f4. I'm going to focus on it when it keeps still. We've got 640 of a second, so it will capture it anyway. They look beautiful, they do, the way they just start to open up. As I say, there's lots and lots of these little buds that are just opening everywhere. They look amazing, they do. Let me just grab this. There's one just there, I've just broke it off because there's thousands anyway. But I do like just that little tiny bit of red that just starts to come out. They look great. They can make fantastic photographs. What I've done before is try and shoot these upwards towards the sky. When you've got just blue sky, they look incredible. Just a red poppy from underneath, especially if you get one that bends over and facing down. Shoot that up to the sky against blue sky. It looks amazing, they do. We haven't got blue sky, we've got a bit of blue, but it's mainly cloudy, so I can't see me getting that kind of shot. I will take a couple just to give you the idea. But yeah, it looks just so nice, so nice. It's beautiful in here. Oh yeah. Let me just show you one of these blue flowers. I'll pop it off. Does anybody know what this is? I don't know. If you know what it is, drop me a comment below. But yeah, there's quite a few in here. I'm going to try and line a couple of shots up with some of the blue against the red. And I think they should look quite nice. So I can see a couple just in front of me now. There's two blue flowers and a big clump of red. So let's get the camera and let me show you what I'm going to shoot with this. I'm now going to have a little walk back towards the car. As I say, I've just come down here just to have a look at just how big the field is. And I'm going to walk back towards the car. There was quite a few big clumps of poppies close together. So let's see if I can find these again now. And try and get a couple of big clumps all together. They are quite, even though it looks vast, there's a lot here. You haven't got those massive clumps that look absolutely fantastic. So I do think it probably needs, I would say, 2 weeks. Poppies do tend to come out early, and the season is about a month long, 6 weeks long. So yeah, let me just turn you around. Just look at this. Absolutely incredible. Incredible. There are just so many here. The smell coming off all these plants. There's all sorts of plants here. Little daisies, there's these blue flowers, as well as the poppies. It smells amazing. It is a shame from here. We have the housing estate there. But I think for a sunset, farther down we'll miss the estate and we can just look across the poppies and get these with a beautiful orange light, golden hour. I can't wait. Don't know what the weather's doing tonight. I think it's supposed to clear up and have just clear skies. I would like some cloud for the sunset if I can. But if I can't, I can't, and we'll just get what we can. It looks amazing. I would say pretty much I've got a month just to try and catch a nice sunset here, and we should be pretty good. Looks beautiful, this does. Anyway, stop babbling and let's get another. Oh God, Betsy's just chased a pheasant. She found one. Betsy, come here. Barbed wire on the fence, so I don't want to go in through the fence. Yeah, I'm going to sort my dog out. As I'm walking, I've just noticed there are a couple of pink poppies here. Let me just show you this one here. Just look at that. Pink. Beautiful. There is another one just down here that I can see. I would imagine there's going to be more. I don't want to go and walk through and squash them all, so I'm not going to. But yeah. I'm just going to grab, see there are clumps. I don't know if you can pick it up on the GoPro. There's a big clump there. And when these all open up, you get a massive clump of poppies all in one little spot. And they are fantastic as just a feature for a foreground and then looking out across the scattered poppies. They do look amazing. Betsy is going absolutely nuts. She's just flushed about 3 pheasants out of this field. And I can't do anything with her, so I'm going to try and gather her up and get her home. I think her head's just flipping now. Her tongue's about a foot long. So luckily I've got some water in the car. So I'll give her a quick drink and then try and get her to calm down. Come here. There she is. Pacing up and down, just trying to get in and just sniffing these pheasants out. She loves them, she loves them. So, yep, I'm going to carry on down this way and let's see if we can find another shot. Another thing to try with these poppies is change your aperture. Try shooting the lowest aperture you got, f2.8 if you have, f1.8 if you've got a 50mm prime. Just to focus on one poppy and blur everything else out. Also, don't be scared to try sort of like f16, f18. I've just took a shot now, literally just straight across these poppies. Try and get a bit of detail in the cloud as well. I'm not going to face you that way because you're facing into the sun. There's a little bit of detail in the sky, so with Photoshop, just drop the highlights a bit and you should get the detail out. But yeah, try different apertures, different shutter speeds, get a bit of motion, get them still. At the moment, they are dead still. Every one of them. Just look at this. Not one is moving. The wind has dropped right off. And every one is perfectly still. They do look really nice, I've got to say. Yeah, they're beautiful. As always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Check the description below. There's links to all the gear that I use. There's a link to my sister and brother-in-law's guest house on the Isle of Mull if you fancy a Scottish holiday with some wildlife. There's lots of wildlife on Mull. I'll put the photographs on now for you. Subscribe, we'll do it all again next week, and until next time, enjoy the photos. But no doubt there's going to be a lot more poppies to come over the next few weeks. Take it easy. Like a Betsy panting.